In this video we how to add soundboard sound to Discord. So for this need to click the server and click server settings and go to soundbar. Yes, after that you need to click the upload sound. Click it. Once you clicking, after you need to choose the file. You browse it and use your sound file, and you can preview this and also you can cut and make a particular sound. Yes, and also you can play and preview it. After that, you also have a sound name, related emoji, and sound volume. You can type your own. So in this, I will do name it as a baby and related emoji I will giving. So and I make the volume as a 50. And upload. So once before upload, once you can preview it and upload. Yes, you can see the slot is uploaded. So after this is how to create a soundbar in Discord, and you can see in bottom the soundbar is already visible, and you can use this. So this is how to add the soundboard sound to Discord. Thank you.